Bullish Ethereum cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $7,345.47 and $13,874.78 by 2030. Market investigators accept ETH could reach $5,713.15 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,305.86. Ethereum presentation. Decentralized and open source, Ethereum is a blockchain that supports savvy contracts. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital currency after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di-Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum organizers. Crowdfunding for advancement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute extremely durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer many monetary administrations without the requirement for customary monetary mediators like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are similarly conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for introductory coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local cryptographic money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to construct any safe computerized innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Thus, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. Ethereum specialized investigation. As indicated by specialized examination performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the determination, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest boundary. One more uplifting sign, the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with solid exchanging action, upholds this. Accordingly, on the off chance that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the primary opposition, the following significant region to watch out for is most likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or invalidate longer-term expectations. Ethereum major investigation. It's memorable's fundamental that most digital currencies are projects as opposed to associations, rather than the securities exchange. Thus, by finishing a reasonable central investigation and taking into account all the data that is presently open about the venture, you might decide if a digital money is beneficial or not. The objective of central investigation is to find out a resource's inborn worth. For example, you might assess whether a cryptographic money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of inner and outer variables. Ether is significant in view of a few variables. In any case, its value is essential for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money convention classifications of advances, decentralized trades, subordinates, resources, and installments require Ether charges. Besides, the environment of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and various, as found in the pictures underneath. Second, Ether is the safe resource for decentralized finance in light of the fact that it is used as security in the decentralized money convention. For example, getting or loaning Ether to build a yield due to marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking, and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Third, since clients might utilize this computerized cash to pay for items and administrations on the Ethereum blockchain, the second era of blockchains, Ether, can be viewed as another sort of cash. For example, non-fungible tokens NFT, for example, crypto collectibles are bought utilizing Ether. Ethereum current cost. Ethereum is presently worth $1,632.33 USD. ETH has moved 6.58% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,797,058,042. Ethereum is presently positioned 2 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $202,275,680,434 USD. Using the general strength file, Moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness. From the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Ethereum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $2,448.49. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2,285.26 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $1,958.79. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,080.82. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ETH's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,264.65 and a typical exchanging cost of $3,591.12. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $5,713.15 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5,223.45 and a low of $4,896.98 in 2025. Ethereum Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Ethereum effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $7,345.47, with a base cost of $6,529.31 and a typical cost of $6,855.77. Ethereum Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8,488.10 by 2027, with a base cost of $8,161.64 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a greatest value worth of $8,977.80. Ethereum Value Forecast